smell something good. What do I smell?
Meatballs.
That's right. Meatballs that Lillian made. Oh, they look so good. Be careful, that skillet's hot. Don't touch it. I'll let you taste one when they get done.
I like meatballs.
You do.
Come on, where's? Come on, I'm sleepy. Okay, let's stay in the bed.
Eleanor, what's in there?
Okay, no.
You funny girl.